The other tense is the past perfect simple. The form of it had plus past participle, infinitive ed, or third uh, column of a regular verb. For example, we've spoken about we've just spoken we've just spoken about the infinitive or past participle. For example, I had watched TV. He had gone. He had gone. She had written. A negative statement. I had not. I hadn't watched TV. He had not. He hadn't watched TV movie. Watch a movie. She had not play basketball. She hadn't played basketball. In question form, had you watched TV? Had he watched a movie? Had she written? This tense uh, is usually used in speaking more than in academic uh, in speaking skill and in writing in academic writing uh, this tense is used very rarely. We can use it to make it clear that an action was completed before another action in the past. When I arrived there, Sarah had already left. When I met Mary, she had already moved to Mardin. It is used to refer to an activity that was completed before a point of time in the past. In, in 2015, I had won the race 3 times. In 2005, I had lived in the same place for 10 years. Past perfect continuous, the form had plus been plus infinitive plus ing. For example, in positive statement, I've been doing. He, I had been doing. He had been watching. In negative statement, I hadn't been walking. You hadn't been playing. In equation, had you been doing? Had he been written? The use of this tense and the actions that began before a point of time in the past and were still continue at that time. At 9 o'clock, I had been waiting for 2 hours. The other example, last summer, Josh had been renovating his house for 2 years.